How much of your potential investment returns are you unknowingly giving away in fees? It's a question every investor should ask, especially when choosing a platform like Nutmeg. Nutmeg is a popular digital wealth manager offering hands-off, diversified portfolios. But just like any investment service, they charge fees. And understanding those charges before you put your money in is crucial for your long-term returns. The good news is Nutmeg's fee structure is generally transparent. But it involves a few components, so you need to look at the full picture. Let's break down the 3 main fees you need to factor into your calculation. The 3 fee layers. First, you have the Nutmeg management fee. This is what you pay to Nutmeg for managing your investments, and it's calculated as an annual percentage of your portfolio's value. Crucially, this fee depends on 2 things: your investment style and the size of your pot. For example, a fully managed portfolio has one tiered fee structure, and a fixed allocation portfolio, which is less actively managed, has a lower, separate tiered structure. The main takeaway here is, the more you invest, the lower the percentage fee often gets on the portion above a certain threshold, like £100,000. To calculate this part, you simply take the correct percentage rate for your chosen style and pot size and multiply it by your investment value. Second, you have the investment fund costs. Nutmeg invests your money in a mix of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These funds have their own underlying charges, taken by the fund providers themselves, which cover things like buying and selling the underlying assets. These costs are relatively low with Nutmeg, typically around 0.17% to 0.32% per year, but they are on top of the Nutmeg management fee. Finally, you have the market spread. This is not a charge you pay directly, but it's a small cost that occurs whenever assets are traded. It's essentially the difference between the price you buy an asset at and the price you could immediately sell it for. Nutmeg minimizes this by batching client trades, but they estimate its typical effect at a very small percentage, like around 0.04% annually. Putting it all together. So, to find your true annual cost, you need to add all 3 layers. $text, total annual fee, /approximate /text, Nutmeg management fee, plus /text, investment fund costs, plus /text, market spread, $. Let's quickly look at a simple example using rough figures. Say you have a fully managed portfolio with £20,000. Your Nutmeg management fee might be $0.75 your fund costs around $0.22 and your market spread about $0.04 Total estimated fee is $0.75 plus 0.22 plus 0.04 equals $1.01 per year. On a £20,000 investment, $1.01 is about £202 for the year. The key thing to remember is that these fees are typically calculated daily on your portfolio's value and collected monthly. This means as your pot grows, your fee in pounds will increase, even if the percentage rate stays the same. Before you invest, always head to the Nutmeg website. They have a detailed fee schedule and often an interactive calculator that can give you a precise, personalized estimate based on your exact investment amount and chosen style. Knowing this number is your first and most powerful step towards smart investing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.